Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your design to landscape mode in Canva. This is perfect for presentations, banners, and layouts that need a wider format. Let's get started. If you have a portrait design and want to switch it to landscape, all you need to do is click on File and create a new design. From there, select the Custom Size option. Or if you want a landscape video presentation, you can choose that option instead. Since we are using landscape mode, we will set it manually. Just enter the size 1220 by 667 pixels. You can also choose A4 size in landscape mode. As you can see, you now have your landscape empty project ready to go. You can start building your design right here on the landscape page. And that's how we change to landscape mode in Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can set up our design exactly the way we need it.